Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Update, my 1000 day challenge. This is day 227, so let's get things started. Alright, so first and foremost, you'll notice the balance is up from yesterday, and that's actually due to closing of the main trading setup that I have. And even though there was a very sharp pullback, that's where I usually take my profit because I use as a trading stop loss, and my main strategy revolve around trend following. So most of the time, not all the time, I do not take the maximum profit hitting a target. Instead, I leave it to a trailing stop loss that only take profit only when there's a sharp pullback, like in, for example, this case whereby we see a sharp drop for Bitcoin, whereby we pull back from 61K region to around 54K plus region at the peak itself. So right now, it has bounced back to, I think, around 55 to 56K region. So yeah, so this is how volatility works, and yeah, nothing too major of concern. But otherwise, experimental trade setup, there's still one pending in terms of Ethereum wise. In terms of the main trading account setup, there's also Ethereum and Link. Both setups still haven't closed in terms of trailing stop loss, but otherwise, yep, it is what it is. All right, so later I'll cover in terms of the weekly market structure on Bitcoin, it still looks to be bullish. Ever since this morning, we actually closed with a new all-time high once again, if you look in terms of the line chart. So previously, the few weeks ago, we closed at a high of 57.492 or 57.5K range, and now we actually closed at 59K. So it's about 2K higher in that sense. So yeah. Alright, there's something to bear in mind. And if you're experiencing a little bit of lag, that's actually because recently I upgraded the display window, and I realized that display window does somehow take away some of the hardware processing power of it, so it may not be that suitable. So yeah, let's see how things goes. And yeah, probably looking to get a new setup, maybe sometime this year, but not so soon. All right, otherwise, yeah, things look to be great for Bitcoin still on the weekly chart, although we are getting potentially we could have some sort of consolidation over here above this 20 exponential moving average. If we have some sort of like a pullback and then we find support over here, even at the 50K mark, we will still be tentatively really bullish because we could be forming a very nice ascending triangle before we continue towards the upside. And tentatively, even though there are some sort of like a so-called negative news, be it in terms of news from India, from China, which is tentatively looking a little bit more aggressive against cryptocurrency. That being said, in the US, I think things will be a little bit better. And yeah, so let's see how things goes. But overall, the trend itself and momentum itself still remains valid towards the upside of things. And yeah, so in terms of this 4-hour chart, what I mentioned yesterday, so I was using the 4-hour trailing stop loss approach. So if you look in terms of the candlestick rise, you will see very nicely over here. So it closes right below in this very bearish engulfing candlestick. So you should have closed above here. But we haven't, you could actually still close it here. It isn't that much of a big gap. But of course, tentatively, we could be finding support over here because this is the 50 simple moving average on the 4-hourly chart itself. So if you have closed here, right around here, you'll be getting 1:2.89, which means if you were to reach 100, you'll be getting close to $290. Yeah. So that is how the risk to reward works set up. So this setup has now been closed. I'll remove it. And yeah, so I'll be looking for a new setup once again. So for me, I'm not sure how long whether we will bounce all the way back from here again. But as a price action trader or price action strategy itself, I'll wait for confirmation, which means to say I want to see some sort of bullish market structure on this 4-hour chart before looking to enter a long setup. So for now, alternatively, not going to do any new price action trade for the next 1 to 2 days. Otherwise, yeah, that's more or less about it. And switch things back. Hmm. Oops. Sorry for the technical issue. Yeah, so apologies for the technical issue. Hmm. Right. It's definitely right. It's definitely sorry for that. There's definitely technical issues for now. So I'll stop recording. But otherwise, it's basically the main setup. You can read over here by close the long setup 57.8K region. Otherwise, there's more or less about it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. And otherwise, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And sorry for the technical issue for today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.